Hello students, let us do a text problem based on haloalkane and haloarine. This is one of the text exercise question, that is question number 7. So let us discuss this question. Question number 7. Write the equations for the preparation of 1-iodobutane from number 1, 1-butanol, number 2, 1-chlorobutane, number 3, but-1-ene. Now look at the question. In this question, we need to write an equation for the preparation of 1-iodobutane. That means we need to prepare 1-iodobutane. And the reactants are given following. In the first case, we need to use butanol. That is 1-butanol means butanol. From this we need to prepare 1-iodobutane. So first of all, we need to make the structure for butanol. So butanol, but means 4 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. That means the compound must have 4 carbon and OH group is a functional group here. Therefore butanol. And we need the product that is 1-iodobutane. That means this is 1-iodobutane. You can check 4 number of carbon atoms are there and iodo is there on the first carbon. So 1-iodobutane. So from this alcohol, we are preparing an 1-iodobutane. So which reaction is comfortable here? We can use HI plus in the presence of zinc chloride. This reaction we have learned, that is the reaction of alcohol plus HX in the presence of ZnCl2 give rise to haloalkane. So but in the place of HX, we need to specify X should be I here because we want iodo product. So we should take HI here, then only we'll get a iodo product. So this reaction we can complete, that is 1-butanol plus HI plus in the presence of ZnCl2 give rise to 1-iodobutane. Second part, 1-chlorobutane. That means our reactant is 1-chlorobutane and we need to prepare 1-iodobutane. So first of all, make the structure for both. This is a 1-chlorobutane. The structure is given 1-chlorobutane and this is 1-iodobutane. Look at the structure here. Carbon numbers are same, hydrogen numbers are same. That means they have same alkyl group. That means it have same alkyl group R. This is RCl and this one is RI. That means this can be written as RCl and it can be written as RI. So if the alkyl group is same, there is only difference in the halogen. That means we can use halogen exchange reaction. Which two halogen exchange reaction we have discussed? That is Finkelstein and Swart. But in Swart, fluoroproducts are formed and in Finkelstein, iodo products are formed. So we need to use Finkelstein reaction only. Then only we get RI. So we will be reacting with NaI. So we'll be getting this product. That is Finkelstein reaction. Third one, but-1-ene. That means our reactant is butene and we need to produce iodo product. So what we can use here? We can use HBr in the presence of peroxide. By using anti-Markovnikov rule, we get this product. Now why we are using anti-Markovnikov rule? Because we want a iodo group, that is I, at the terminal carbon atom. That means we need I here. Then only we'll get 1-iodobutane. So in order to add a halogen on the terminal carbon, that is a double bonded terminal carbon, we must use the anti-Markovnikov rule. Then only we get iodo at this carbon. And in order to use anti-Markovnikov rule, peroxide is needed. So by using peroxide, anti-Markovnikov rule is used. So Br get attached on this carbon atom. So you can check, we got 1 bromobutane and we need 1 iodobutane. So how we prepare 1 iodobutane from 1 bromobutane? You can check the structure. There is only difference in the halogen atom. So we can use the halogen exchange reaction. That means bromine can be converted into iodine by using halogen exchange reaction, that is Finkelstein reaction. So in this two-step we are preparing the iodobutane from an alkene, that is butene. So this are the question which is discussed, that is a textbook exercise question which is discussed in this video. So all of you try these sort of questions which is quite important for the exam purpose. Thank you everyone.